Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you people are doing well. Today we are going to study about distributive property of multiplication over addition for which numbers? For integers. Exactly. So this is your property. Distributive property of what? Distributive property of multiplication over which operation? Over addition we are checking. For which numbers we are verifying here? For integers. So first I will write the general form, so that you will understand what is the difference between other properties and this property. A of b plus c equals to, okay ma. So this is your LHS part. Now we are going to obtain the RHS part by using this LHS part only. Okay. In our daily life also we are going to we used the word distribution many times, and we heard the word distribution from others also. Okay. How? In our school activities, during our school activities, during our home activities also, if any functions are going to be held in our school or in our home also, we heard this word. When do you have heard this word distribution? Yes, exactly. Whenever the function was there, suppose Republic Day, at that time teachers used to distribute the cakes, chocolates to the students. So hopefully now you got the meaning of distribution here. Exactly. The meaning of distribution is nothing but giving. Okay. So what we are giving here, that we are going to check out, and in the under this property we are going to verify whether the integers are distributive or not. Okay. So and the most important difference you have observed here compared to the other properties is, in this one property you are having two operations. Here one is the brackets is representing the multiplication, and this plus is nothing but addition. So till now we have studied about closure property and commutative property, associative property. All these properties we have verified for individual operations, but in this particular distributive property you have observed two operations. One is multiplication, one is addition simultaneously, not individually, simultaneously the operations are there. Okay, fine. So what we are giving and how we are giving, this is A, we are giving to B. Okay, then A into B, then after that we are having this plus sign, so I will write here plus. Then afterwards again A we have to give to C, so A into C, the bracket, the meaning of this bracket is nothing but multiplication. Because of that reason I am saying into, so A into C, AC. Is that clear? Fine. So here the general term we have obtained as A of B plus C equals to AB plus AC. And again we need to verify LHS part, RHS, whether they both are equal or not. For verifying whether they are equal or not, we need to take the integers. So let's start with A minus 3, B 5, C equals to 3. Okay. So three different numbers I have chosen here. One is negative, other two are positive numbers. You can choose any numbers from the set of integers. So first we need to simplify LHS part, left hand side, and the condition is A of B plus C. What is the value of A here? Minus 3. Minus 3 of B is how much? 5 plus 3. Minus 3, first we are going to simplify the bracket terms according to the Bode-Maas rule. So 5 plus 3 is nothing but 8. The meaning of this bracket I said you, multiplication. So here the number is negative and the number which is within the bracket is positive. So minus into plus you will get minus. 3 times of 8 is 24. What is this 24? This is the LHS part. This is your LHS part. Now as we have simplified LHS part, now we are going to solve RHS part. After that we are going to compare whether they are equal or not. So what is RHS part? AB plus AC. Now you need to substitute the values of ABC which you have taken. So here A you have taken as minus 3, B 5, C 3. So that only we are going to substitute here. Minus 3 into 5 plus minus 3 into 3. So this is minus, this is plus. When one is negative, one is other is positive. Okay, we'll get the answer as negative. Minus into plus, minus 3 times of 5, 15. Then plus this I will write it as like that only. Now I will write this term within the bracket. This is negative and this is positive. Minus into plus, minus 3 times of 3 is 9. Now minus 15. Again we need to simplify this. This is outside of the bracket plus, and within the term bracket it is minus. Plus into minus, minus. How much it is? 9. When both are negative, we need to do the addition, but sign we have to write whatever the sign the numbers have. So the number is having the sign minus. Minus 15 minus 9 is nothing but 24. This is your RHS part. Now observe this LHS and RHS. LHS you got it as minus 24 and RHS also you got it as minus 24. What you have observed? Exactly, you have observed that they both are equal. So now we are going to conclude the statement. Distributive property of multiplication over addition is verified for integers. The property has verified. Okay, it is not verified, it is verified because LHS and RHS both are equal. So here you need to go for the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. In place of addition, you are going to check out for the subtraction. So what you have to do for subtraction? Just this plus you need to change with minus. Here also the addition sign, that is plus, changes to minus. By taking your own integers, check out distributive property of multiplication over addition as well as over subtraction also. Fine, ma? So the final conclusion I will write. Therefore, fine, the final statement I have written. Distributive property of multiplication over addition is verified for integers. So this was the last property which we have completed just now, inshallah, and the remaining 5 exercises we have completed of this chapter, integers. Only one exercise is left out, and in that you are having the word problems. Inshallah, in the next video I am going to explain you how to solve the word problems. When I will explain, remaining you need to do by yourself. So inshallah we'll meet in the next video. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you.